Hi friends, welcome to 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is iQOO Z9s 5G smartphone. In this video, you will learn how to turn on internet access, how to activate internet access for SIM2 if someone is engaged with calls. See here. First go to the settings in your phone and then go to SIM card and mobile network. See here, mobile data is used for this mobile is Mingi, that is SIM1 is used for mobile data. And suppose if you are in connection with another person through a call, that is if you are making a call from SIM1, mobile data from the SIM2 cannot be used. Only from the SIM1 you can use the mobile data. Suppose if SIM1 has no data, then you can use SIM2 as well. So for that, just turn on this button, access the mobile data using mobile network. First turn on this, so that mobile data is turned on, then click on internet access during calls. Okay, just to turn on this button. So you are allowing SIM2 to be used for mobile data during calls. Okay, so in this way you can easily activate another SIM for internet access during calls if default SIM is engaged with this calls or any other. Okay, that's all friends. Thanks for watching. Bye.